The Academy of Engineering will prepare you with the design, communication, and computer skills needed in the industry.
In this academy, students will get exposure to mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and chemical engineering. Students will have the opportunity to have hands-on experience with CNC machines, robotics, and 3D printers.
When I was in the engineering pathway, I learned a lot about critical thinking, problem solving, and professional development.
My favorite part of engineering is the design aspect of it. I've designed LED Christmas lights and heated adjustable insoles. I got to present HVAC, lighting, and solar recommendations to Apple headquarters in Cupertino.
This Academy of Engineering has prepared me for the career I want to go in, which is electrical engineering.
My favorite part of engineering is the digital electronics class. I love getting to do hands-on work with the products.
I like that what I'm learning in engineering makes math and science easier.
My favorite part about my internship has been being able to connect with the community and helping to save the environment.
Being in the Academy helped me create relationships that got me where I am today. The Academy of Engineering will prepare students in the careers of electrical engineering, computer hardware engineering, and civil engineering.
Because of this academy, I know I want to become a mechanical engineer.
If you enjoy math, physics, and how things work, this is the Academy for you.